everybody, my name is Eric McMahon. I'm the Chief of the Troy Fire Department, and I'm excited to tell everybody that we just recently took delivery of a 2020 Rosenbauer fire engine. It's our second fire engine in as many years. This fire engine is going to be stationed at our North Street station, Station 4, which is in the north central part of the city. Our whole entire department is pretty excited to take delivery of a new piece of apparatus. So its primary mission is fire suppression. It's down on North Street, Northern River, in the north central part of the city. It also has a paramedic assigned to it, so it also does first response ALS. If anyone needs any medical treatment or medical care for medical emergencies, this would be the first rig to roll out the door in that neighborhood. Well, as you can see, the primary responsibility of this engine would be to extinguish fires. It runs with a bunch of pre-connected hose so that they would be able to go inside and extinguish the fire. Also, it has a small complement of ladders. If anyone were trapped above the fire on the second or third floor, these firefighters would certainly be capable of throwing a ladder to those windows and extricating those people from immediate danger. We have 5 engines throughout the city. The company that makes it is the company that made our engines previously. Those engines have lasted for 20 years. We certainly got our money out of those engines, and this will be going in place of one of those engines, and as that engine is retired. As you can see, the cabs are very roomy in these vehicles. The fire engines are certainly getting bigger all the time. It has all the safety features that you would find in your own vehicle. Inside the seat, we carry our air packs so that the firefighters can get dressed en route to the call. They're able to put their air packs on so that when they step out of the vehicle, they are ready to go and fight the fire, so that there's no wasted time getting dressed on the scene. Thanks for visiting us with our new fire engine. We hope you get to see it around town, going from place to place. Thank you very much.